Ajmal Foundation recruitment. 28 faculty and other posts. Ajmal Foundation has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 28 faculty and other posts at various residential schools under Ajmal Foundation. Interested and eligible candidates may apply here. Ajmal Foundation Recruitment 2024. 1. Hostel Administrator. Number of posts 5. Location Hojai and Dhubri. Educational qualification graduate any stream. Experience minimum 3 to 5 years in the relevant field. Pay up to 40,000 per month. Age limit minimum 30 years. 2. Hostel Mentor. Number of posts 8, 4 male and 4 female. Location Hojai and Dhubri. Educational qualification graduate any stream. Experience minimum 2 years. Pay up to 20,000 per month. Age limit minimum 30 years. 3. Nurse female. Number of posts 3. Location Hojai and Dhubri. Educational qualification ANM or GNM preferable. Experience 2 to 4 years in relevant field. Pay up to 20,000 per month. Age limit minimum 22 years. 4. Maktab Islamic Studies teacher. Number of posts 2 female only. Location Hojai. Educational qualification minimum 10th passed Hafiza. Experience 0 to 2 years in relevant field. Pay up to 15,000 per month. Age limit minimum 25 years. 5. Guard Watchman. Number of posts 10. Location Hojai. Educational qualification HSLC passed. Experience minimum 2 years in relevant field. Pay negotiable. Age limit minimum 25 to 35 years. How to apply for Ajmal Foundation recruitment? Interested candidates can send your resume and cover letter highlighting their qualifications and experience to careers@ajmalfoundation.org by 6th July 2024. Shortlisted candidates will be called for personal interview. For further inquiries, please contact 6900010059 from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Except public holidays, please avoid unnecessary questions. About Ajmal Foundation. Ajmal Foundation is an ISO certified public charitable trust registered under Indian Trust Act 1882, wide registration number 3480/176, and was established in the year 2005 with its head office located in the district of Hojai, Assam in India. With the spirit of serving humanity in need, Ajmal Foundation has been working in the field of modern education, skill development and livelihood promotion, women empowerment, poverty alleviation, relief and rehabilitation, water management and sanitation, legal digital literacy, women and child development, healthcare and family welfare etc. The Foundation responds to socio-economic development in India through implementation of various community-based integrated projects targeting the youth, women, elderly people, adults, children and the differently abled. In doing so, time-bound implementation, efficient delivery of the assigned projects and full transparency have always remained a top priority of the organization. Ajmal Foundation is a pan-India organization primarily focusing northeastern states to contribute to nation building. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share.